Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Amazon account using 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Locate the Login and Security option in the menu. Click on Login and Security to access your authentication settings. In the two-step verification, 2SV, settings section, find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the Edit button next to the two-step verification section. You will be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, click Continue to proceed. Amazon will then offer you options for receiving your verification codes. This typically includes an authentication app or a mobile phone number. Choose your preferred method for receiving the codes. If you select an authentication app, you can use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on the Amazon screen. Once scanned, your app will generate a verification code. Enter this verification code in the designated field on the Amazon site. Click Verify to confirm the code. If you opt for SMS verification, enter your mobile phone number and click Send SMS. Once you receive the verification code via text, input it on the Amazon page. Click Verify to confirm the code you received. After successful verification, Amazon will allow you to finish enabling two-step verification. You can choose to save backup codes for future use, in case you can't access your authentication method. Ensure you store these codes in a secure location. Once done, click Done to finalize the setup process. You will receive a confirmation that two-step verification is now enabled. From now on, every time you log in, you'll need to enter a verification code. This adds an extra layer of security to your Amazon account. You have successfully authenticated your Amazon account using two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.